Welcome. In front of me is a TCL Tab 10, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now this process will also remove things like screen lock, so if you have one set on this tablet, then this will allow you to remove it. Now I don't have a screen lock set just yet, so I'm going to quickly do that right now. So there we go, as you can see now it's set. I'm going to quickly lock the device and I will progress from here, from the lock screen, as though I don't know it. So to get started, obviously we will want to hold the power key, select power off, and once the tablet turns off, you will want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. I'm going to flip it like this, it might be a little bit easier. And there we go. As you can see, this will take us to the recovery mode, and in here, using volume keys to navigate, you will want to select wipe data factory reset. There we go. Confirm it with power key, and select factory data reset, and this gives you a message at the bottom, wiping data, formatting data, and then below that we should have data wipe complete, at which point a reboot system now will be selected by default. So press power key, and this will initiate a rebooting of the device and continue the process in the background. Now, this will take the device a little bit longer to boot up fully, because it is continuing the entire thing in the background right now while it's rebooting, so just give it a couple minutes to finish up. Once it's finished, we'll be then presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your phone however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.